our YouTube channel still going? Of course there is. Here. Yes, I've been away for a while, I know that. Where do I start? I've not gone away. I've just taken a little bit of a break because there's been so much going on. As I probably would have mentioned in the last video that I put up about 6 months ago maybe when I moved into this workshop. There's a lot going on. There's a lot that's been going on, but my focus is now back on these bikes. I need to get the Mongrel ready for the Bike Shed Show 2025 in May, so that's end of May. That's a good 6 months away. It's fine, we can manage that. I have got the Ducati Ghost, the monster. That's down there at the moment being synchronised. I've got the R100 that I need to get completed. There's the Maiko obviously, and there's a little Herald over at the back. So there's a lot of things that's been going on meanwhile, but I want to put a video out there just to say that, yeah, I'm not going anywhere. As you may see, I'm leaning on an old Ducati Super Sport. It's a project for 2026. Along with, oh god, whatever else I've got. I mean, I've still got the K100 over there, which needs to be done. But long and short of it, no, I'm not going anywhere. I am back. I'm going to be producing videos. Might not be as frequent as what they were. One a week might be a push. Maybe once every 2 weeks might be the thing that we're doing right now. But we'll do it. But let me take you around the garage so at least I can update you on where we were. So, where do I start in this workshop? It is big. Just to say, it's big. So obviously we've got the little wall there, punching bag, etc. The Ghost, which I've just finished synchronising down there. That's running perfectly now. The Mongrel, that is my biggest project. That is needed for 2025, for May, for the Bike Shed Show. Now, I have done a lot on this. Videos I've not yet posted, but the frame is all done. I have got, if I can move it around, a girder front fork, which again I've got a video about. Just need to finish that off, make it secure. Wheels are on, axle is on the back, so at least I can roll it around. Engine mounts are done. Just need to finish it. Get the engine running, spray it, job done on that. Got the R100 coming along. I need to spray it, but I have done fairing for the front using the original electrics through there. So that is being done. The Maiko, I've had the conrod sorted for that, so that is now no longer seized. There is a Ducati SS at the back there, but we'll just leave that for the time being. We're not going to talk about that. The old K100. But the exciting thing is I've got this little Herald here. So this little 125 is Joe's. Joe does have a new 125 Classic back at hers. This is her project for the Mali Mile next year. And of course we've got the Black Heart, the CX500 over there. So this is where we're at. But plenty of space. So that is it. Not only will I be doing the content here, but I'll also be introducing Time to Be Bold as well. That'll be exciting, having someone else to banter with, bash some ideas with. So if you want to stay up to date with this channel as it's going to progress, subscribe, give me a follow on Instagram. I'll see you soon.